After the absolutely hectic day yesterday of recovering vehicles all day, I thought we'd do something a little bit more low-key today, so I decided to take Raph to a very special place. This place has to be one of the best kept secrets in this area.
Quite a significant little place. It's great cultural significance for the local Indigenous people, and it's well, up until recently, it's a pretty well-kept secret. It's a great little spot, great cascading little waterfalls, and these little pools keep watering them all year long. So it's a pretty special little place.
Bro, the place was amazing. Honestly, thank you very much for take us to this special place for you and your family.
Yeah, no worries, mate. It's absolutely pleasure.
Good to show you around a bit of the countryside up here. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, we really did, honestly. And yeah, the waterfall was great.
Yeah, well, you come up here at a good time of year. It's generally pretty dry up here, so it's
Definitely best of it.
Yeah, it seems like it's very remote and special as well.
yeah, no worries. I'll have to give you some more marks the next time you're up here. There's a few other good places to go check out.
Yeah, for sure.
Once we got back and dried off, we decided to have a discussion about the true significance of this place.
The native Wells has a lot of cultural significance for the local Indigenous people, the Barbaran people.
Okay.
I don't know exactly the in-depth the cultural significance of it. I've never sort of really spoke to the elders or anything about it, but I know it's a very important site for them. It does hold water all year round, so if you imagine during the October, there's no water. Like this dam wouldn't have been here, so there's no water around. So that's the only spot for many kilometres to get water. So naturally that would be a very important area for them. I don't know whether there's any other significance to it, but it is definitely a place of significance for them. And up until recently, like no one really knew about it. Like I grew up in this area, so I knew I've been trekking through the hills and that, and the elders sort of they come and go, and they sort of let us know that it was an important place. But up until recently, no one else really sort of knew about it except for the locals. So it's a very, very special place. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's for us. It's very special that you share that place to us, like You know,
Yeah.
you decide to take us to that
Well,
place.
you're really actually the first person I've ever taken there, so
And we appreciate
Yeah.
that, honestly, because the place is special.
Yeah.
When
I
you get
should've-
there, it's special. Like you see the waterfall, you going.
yeah.
It's very special place. So
I should have blindfolded you when I took you there, so you
I-
don't come back. No.
yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Put me a back in my head.
Yeah, it's all good. I know you look after the country and that, so I'm happy to take you there, mate.
Yeah, thank you very much, bro. Honestly, out of cameras and whatever, thank you very much.
Yeah, no, it's my absolute pleasure, man. It's good to share something like that with someone who has the same beliefs as me. So
Yeah. Well, we truly believe in, you know, like we enjoy the places, but also we look after the places and we try to, you know, give it a good, special place, you know, heart, in our minds.
yep.